Today, I'm going to discuss about one interview question in our service now. So, what is the interview question? So I'm going to read out the interview question. I'm going to explain in detail. Okay. So, one question is there: is it possible to add the attachment option to a specific tab in a form? So means, for example, if I'm going to create any of the table, if any of the form is there, okay. So in that form, we have the multiple tabs are there, like a sections. We can call it as a sections. So multiple sections are there. In that section, is it possible to add a attachment option? Yes, absolutely. It is possible. How we can do it? Just like it is not for reference to the any of the scripting or anything. Simple configuration will be available. How it should be possible? One form. So one table SN27 is a one table. In that table, one record is there. Means like a one form is available, right? So we have academic and finance. Two different type of sections are available. Okay, so in this area, you already know that so only one attachment will be available. So the header of the record means like a header of the record. So this is a one, but I don't want to just go to this area. So I want to add the attachment in this sections. How it is possible? So now we go to this area, and just I'm going to right click on the header and simply click on configure and just go to the form design. So now you can see that in a form design, it will be having some one option. So to add the attachment. So I will show it to you where it will be very simple and easy form, right? So just you can see here. So here, so we have so different type of class, new file attachment, updated and updates all are there. So for example, so file attachment is there, simply you can drag and drop it here. But for example, if it is not available, maybe it is sometimes it is not visible in this area, you just better to go to the field type. So definitely it will be available file attachment in this area. Now you can see that so field types are there: audio, calendar, so date, time, choice, currency, data structure, and everything will be there now. IP address and all those things. See, these will be all will be available in this area. So simply drag and drop. So file attachment is there. Just I'm going to dropping the file attachment in my academic section. So simply I'm going to add this area. So simply when I'm going to click on save, then you can see here. So one file, a new file attachment option will be available in my form in a particular section. So not only section, we can call it as a tabs also. So now see here, so new file attachment is there or not. So if you want to change your file attachment name, so for example, I don't want to just use the same name. Simply right click on that field and just simply click on configure dictionary. You can change the name. So what is a new file attachment is not present. Oh, sorry, just like so new file attachment is not there. Upload document, that's fine. So simply you can click on update. So one field has created in this area. So now you can see that. So in this area, simply click on click to add means it will ask to so attach a file or any of the document. Got it? And one more thing other than this so question, I'm going to explain one more information also. For example, while creating of a any table, if you miss to attach any of the, for example, date field, if you miss to add a date creation field value, for example, website creation field value, website URL value, if you missed, so how to add it means simply you can go to the form and you can see here. For example, I want to add a any of the field name. For example, I'm going to just add a field name, integer, whatever it may be. So anything we just provide. What does it mean? For example, data time. For example, I'm going to add the data time. So now you can simply drag and drop. So I'm going to click on save. Now you can see here, so the date or time is automatically one field has created. So I will show it to you. Now you can see new date time is there. If you want to mention the new date time, automatically it will be allowing the date and timings values in this area. So if you want to change the name, you can change it here only. Means while creating of a table, if you miss any of the field creation, the type of field values, if you know that, directly in a configuration area, you can add it. So that is the easiest way to creating of your fields and as well as forms also. Okay, hope you like this video. If you please click on like button, and as of now if you not subscribed our channel, subscribe our channel